Everybody in the market is completely frozen with fear. There is a serious crisis, but with a crisis there is always an opportunity, and that is something I would like to point out here. For financial investors, remember the thumb rule: if you buy fear and sell greed, you will always create wealth. So if you are currently concerned about the decline in your equity portfolio, well, guess what? If you stick to your asset allocation, when you see a crisis like this, you will always reach your financial goals. So our pitch to our viewers is very simple, which is never waste a crisis. And one very simple way of participating in this market, when right now there are a lot of moving parts, is to take the ETF route, exchange traded funds, which means you start investing slowly, gradually, and in a disciplined manner to start accumulating ETF. ETF is nothing else but you're essentially buying index, which is Nifty in this case. Now what we've done is that we've looked at the previous crisis. Like Mark Twain says, history may not repeat itself, but history may certainly rhyme itself. A couple of months from now, when we will look back at this crisis, we will always remember this as a crisis when you acted smartly, intelligently, and in a disciplined manner, you actually created wealth. So that's the data point which will just come up on your screen, that let's say if you bought into the Nifty during the financial crisis, when the GFC crisis happened, and also when 2008, the returns have been very handsome and very rewarding. So that's our pitch, that right now in this market, if you stick to your financial discipline, if you do not one should keep calm and not get panicked because what is happening in stock markets, because in the stock market, it is always sentiment which will have a better say. I'm not saying that the economy is not going to shrink or contract. Of course it will, but markets, you should always focus on not where the puck has moved, but where the puck would move. We are in for tough days, we are in for hard days, but good news and good prices rarely comes together. So a simple way to participate and reach your financial goals in this market is maybe avoid stocks if you don't have the appetite for it, but stick to ETFs. ETFs are a safer, a better, and a more convenient route of doing financial planning.